Introducing the AIMCO AUET-10 Torque Tester, a versatile and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with precision and accuracy. This 1.0 10.0 and LB torque tester is part of the Auditor TM series from AIMCO, known for its commitment to providing high-quality assembly tools. With a wide torque range, multiple transducer models, and various processing modes, the AUET-10 is the perfect choice for professionals seeking precise and reliable torque measurements. Its user-friendly interface and easy-to-read LCD display make it simple to operate, while the internal memory and data output capabilities allow for convenient data storage and analysis. Whether you're in the automotive, aerospace, or manufacturing industry, the AIMCO AUET-10 Torque Tester is the ideal tool for ensuring accurate and consistent torque measurements.